Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 GMC Sierra half-ton SLT. On the front end of the vehicle we have HID headlights with LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. Under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are aftermarket 18-inch dub wheels, as well as our heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our easy lift and lower tailgate, as well as our tonneau cover. This Sierra has a towing capacity of up to 6,100 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver seat, as well as our automatic four-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls. This Sierra is also equipped with heated power adjustable leather seats, as well as WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons, as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls, as well as a wireless charging pad. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have our remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.